Hey, what's up, bros? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And I know, but many of you still asking me how to install Google Play on your Huawei or on a device without GMS. And the easiest way to do it is install the Gspace application. And this will be the last time I show you how to install Gspace on your device. But before we start, brothers, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more content like this. Thank you so much. And now, let's go. As I said before, brothers, all you have to do is go to description of this video. So go to description and tap on that link, and the link takes you to my website. To this site, on this site you have to scroll a bit down until you see Gspace 1.0.5 with Google Play icon hack. I will show you how to add Google Play icon on your home screen. So tap on this file, it will open Media Fire. Tap on this big blue button, and now you have to tap on this big blue button right here. Choose download, and this is the file. So now we have to wait. Okay, almost there. Download is complete. So now you have to open Files application, this one. Tap on Files, Internal Storage, Download, Browser, and this is the file. Tap on it, hold the finger on it, 3 dots right here, and extract to current directory. Open the file, tap on Gspace, allow. It should be okay, no risks detected. Tap on install and install this application. Tap on done. Now install the this shortcut maker application. Tap on allow and install. Tap on open. Got it. Go back. Install this. Open this Gspace shortcut. Tap on other. Scroll right. Shortcut maker always. And now all you have to do is tap on create shortcut and choose add, and we have a Google Play icon right here. So tap on this icon, allow and allow, and the Gspace is now opening and loading all necessary services and application. But I have to mention, brothers, always use Gspace with your secondary account, because we don't know who is behind this application, but with your secondary account you will be fine. Don't use your credit cards, etc. Use your secondary account for downloading games and apps, and you will be fine. Okay? And now we have to wait. By the way, brothers, I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. We are now over 54k subscribers. That's a huge success. I'm so happy. It's your success. Thank you so much, brothers. Thank you. By the way, this is my daily driver, and this is also my daily driver. It is what it is. Okay, 100%, and now we are here. But if you want to download something, brothers, you have to tap on some of these shortcuts. And if you want to download something, brothers, now you have to tap on some of these shortcuts. Tap on YouTube and tap on sign in. We have to wait. Checking info. Google Play Protect is turned on. But I said before, don't use your primary Google account, use your secondary Google account. And this is my, and from here you can sign in with your Google account. So I'm gonna sign in, brothers, right now. 3, 2, 1. Okay, tap on I agree. Uncheck this, tap on more, accept, and go back. And we are here, brothers. This is Google Play on this beautiful Mate 30 Pro, still a very nice phone. And from here you can search for your favorite applications and for your favorite games, such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Signal, and other applications and other apps. Most of the applications and games should work on your device, so this is the easiest way how to get Google Play on your Huawei device without Google mobile services. This is the Gspace method with Google Play icon hack. I will show you. If I want, I close everything from background, and if I want to download something, all I have to do is brothers is tap on this Play Gspace icon. That's fine. Tap on retry and you will be again in Google Play. If I close this again and now I tap on Play Gspace icon, this one, it's without errors, no more errors. So, and from here you can search for everything you want download into your device. Google Play Protect is turned on, and I have Google Play on this phone. So brothers, I do hope you ended up enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and as always, stay safe with the mask and stay phone tapers. Thank you so much. You are the best. 54k subscribers. That's your success. You are a phone tech. Thank you.